What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks. Today I'm going to talk about another way to make money online so that you can also have an opportunity to make money online. Okay, so before I proceed, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily nowadays regarding how to make money online, and there are various ways to make money online. I will keep sharing every single day. So the first thing here I'm going to show today is how you can make money just copy and pasting. You know, the copy and pasting is simple online. Like you have to copy, just you have to use a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Just by using that, you'll be able to make money. So is it unbelievable for you? Okay, then let's check out how we can do that and make a lot of money. Like even if you can make thousands of dollars every single day just by doing that shit. Okay, now let's go to the Facebook, for instance. If you have a Facebook account, what you have to do is you have to just type in this section that I need photo editing software. Okay, similarly, and you will see that there are so many results coming up like this one. The next thing I need to sort out is photo editing software for my MacBook, or there's someone asking for new software, very easy to use to edit your photos. Now I need to get out and shoot more. There are some people who are asking for this, and I'm confused between photo and designer software, editing face, making face. Where can I which one shall I buy, and all this stuff. Business wise, let me know about to get a music editing software back too. So music editing can be done in a photo editing software, in a video editing software, so that will not be a problem. So there are many people who are asking for this. Okay, now if you go to Twitter, I need a photo editing software, search for it like this. Okay, you'll see many people are asking, I need a photo editing software, I need a photo editing software for the Mac. What's good, what's that, doesn't cost $. Now what you have to do right now is, it's really simple, just follow my tutorial. Okay, the first thing you have to go on Wondershare. Okay, Filmora. First go to Google. Okay, if you go to Google, you will see that there is a Filmora. Type this, Filmora affiliate program. Okay, yeah, Wondershare Filmora affiliate program. From there you will go to click on this page. It will take to this page. Okay, creativity section. As you can see, you can sign up for an affiliate network and promote Filmora products and get paid. You could earn as much as $3,000 a week by joining Filmora affiliate program, and you can even make more depending upon how much traffic you get and how much sales you get. So you just have to go here and sign up for a new account. Okay, you have to sign up for a new account, like through this ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate finding search engine, I guess, and affiliates find products to promote. You can find the products to promote, and you will find Filmora product through ShareASale platform or Commission Junction. You will find this software in this. You can choose ShareASale if you want to. You have to sign up and log in, and then you have to search for Filmora software. Okay, then just get the affiliate link, then copy the affiliate link and paste it here. Like for Facebook instance, go to here like this, very easy. Okay, as you can see here, here are a few photos. Okay, I would say go with video editing. Okay, video editing software instead of photo editing. As you can see here, I need a good video editing software for PC. I've been using my phone, but want that. So you will go here, like in the comment section, and you will say, hey, just go here and comment if you have the permission, obviously. Well, you can't comment here, I guess. Okay, he is already doing it now. which is the best video editing software. Now for that you need to join that that group. Okay, you have to join this, you have to go to here and join this group. Then after you join this group, you will get the permission to post comments. Okay, now in the comment section you just have to type that, hey, I know there's a good video editing software available which is easy to use. If you want, please send me a DM so that I can send you the link. And if he replies to you, you just have to copy that that affiliate link and paste it there, and send him the PM. And if he clicks on it, and if he make a purchase on this film or a website, you will get a commission. Like if it is $2,000 monthly sales, you'll get 30% commission rate, and it really, the higher you go, the higher the commission rate. So they can provide up to 50% of commission per sale. So this is a really good opportunity. And similarly here also, if you go here and if you like type this here, hey, I know there's a software, is an easy to use software, you can download, you can get it here. Okay, like that, you can copy the paste the link of that affiliate link, and if he clicks on it and if he purchases a plan from this website, then you will get a commission. This is simple, and this is just, you have to copy and paste, and it's so simple that anyone can do it. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and I will keep posting many various tutorials here on my YouTube channel. And if it is really helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily nowadays. So, and also as a disclaimer, I really don't guarantee that you will make a lot of money by doing this, and there is no guarantee that you will make money, but you should give it a try. Like I recommend you to give it a try and see if it works for you. If it works for you, then it's really awesome, right? So I hope this video is really helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.